Hey guys, Gary back at you with another episode. And you know, here on my channel, I like to talk about making money. Well, today I'm talking about trading in a foreign exchange market using a trend line strategy to make profits. Well, you may ask, Gary, what is the foreign exchange market? Well, believe it or not, you're already participating in it. Have you ever wondered how the rich keep getting richer and the poor keep getting poorer? Simple. It's applied knowledge. Applied knowledge, guys. See, I'm going to show and share with you how intelligent you are and how you can participate and profit in the foreign exchange market. I'm going to ask you a series of questions over the course of this video. And if you get all of them right, or let's say one or two wrong, you are definitely capable of profiting in a foreign exchange market. Let me show you how intelligent you are. Let's take a look at this. Okay, right now I'm showing you a price chart. These red and green lines are called candles, and they just represent price, whether price is going up or price is going down. Let me ask you, as you look from left to right, is price going up or is price going down? Comment in the section below. Is price going up or is price going down? All right. So that's question number one. Now, let me ask you this. February, March 2020. What event happened? February, March 2020. What happened globally? Comment in the section below. What happened globally? February, March 2020. All right. Well, prior to February, March 2020, this is where price was at. Okay, price was right here. I'm going to break out my spotlight to annotate. So price was down here. January, February, March. So that's where price was hitting in the economy. That's how price was traveling. Then as of March 2020, if I scroll over, this is what started to happen to price. Right? Can you see that? This is what started to happen to price. Wow. Wow. Okay? So that's price based on an economic event. All right? So you have your answers to that. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to look at another chart, and I'm going to make it make sense, make it easy for you. All right. Now here, we're looking at foreign currency, GBP, USD. That's Great Britain pound, United States dollar. Okay. Now, right here, we're looking at price traveling up. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask you this question. How many points is needed to form a straight line? How many points is needed to form a straight line? Answer in the comment section below. Okay, I'm going to use how many points that are needed to form a straight line. And I'm going to draw a trend line. Okay. If you got those answers correct, great. All right. So this is me just using 2 points to form a straight line. Now I have a trend line. This shows me what trend price is traveling. Okay. Now I'm on a 4-hour time frame, meaning that each one of these candles represents 4 hours of price movement, each one of these candles. But I'm going to drop down to the hour time frame. I drop down to the hour time frame, and my trend line is locked in. I'm going to just erase my annotation. All right. So my trend line is locked in. Now I'm going to help you see something here. All I did was draw a line using 2 points. where price have moved to. Right here, price has moved down. It came right here, it went up, fluctuated, and then it came back right here. What this is telling us is every time price hits this trend line, it goes up. It hits this trend line, it goes up. It hit this trend line again, and look, price is going up. The blue candles represents a bullish movement, price going up. The red candles represents a bearish movement, price going down. So using a trend line, seeing where price is traveling, and you lock into two spots, you can determine where price is likely to bounce off of. So right here, price hit the trend line, bounced off, going up. Price came back down, hit the trend line, bounced off, going up. So you might say, okay, Gary, what that mean? Okay, actually that means that when price hits this trend line or somewhere within this area, you can place a buy order, a buy trade order. Okay. Okay, so the price hit the trend line, Gary. I could place a buy trade order, correct? Well, okay, I can see price hit it, goes up, price hit it, goes up. Okay, that kind of makes sense. Okay, I'm gonna help it make dollars. Okay, when price hit the trend line going up, you place a buy order, and let's see what that would be equivalent to. See, in foreign exchange terms, we talk about pips. That's a measurement in price movement. Over here are points. This is just levels of price. These numbers over here are just levels in price. Now, right here, price is going up. Let me zoom in. I'm going to zoom in, and I'm going to use this tool, this crosshairs tool, right here, crosshairs tool, and I'm going to measure how much did price go up. How many pips did price go up? All right. From here to the tip of that, that's 30 pips. You say, how you know that's 30 pips? Well, you see that number 300? If you can see that number 300 between the two slashes, you take off the last number and you have the number 30. That's how many pips. Okay. So let me help you understand what that means. When price moves, it moves in pippage. That's just like when you measure something in feet. So you measure distance in feet. When you measure volume, you say ounces. You measure liquid in ounces. You measure price movement in pips. Okay? So understand that. Now, if price move 30 pips, and say your trade amount was 10 cents a pip. So if it moved 30 pips, what's 30 times 10 cents? What's 30 times 10 cents? Okay, you got that answer? Now, that's if you use 10 cents a pip. Now, let's say you use $1 a pip. That same exact candle move 30 pips, and you were using a trade order size of $1 a pip. What's 30 times $1? Okay, you know what 30 times $1 is? Okay, you got that. Now just one more again. The same exact candle. Let's look at it. Let's look at the same candle. The same exact candle, and we just said that we're on an hour time frame. So each one of these candles represents 1 hour of price movement. So in 1 hour, price did this. Okay, in 1 hour, price did that. So we did a measurement. We said price opened, and it went as high as 30 pips. Okay, it went as high as 30 pips. What is 30 times 10? What's 30 times 10? Put that in the comment section below. All right. So in 1 hour, you could have made 30 times 10, $300. Let me let me ask you something. Let me let's do this again. Let's just do this again. Let's try another chart. Now, one more again. We're looking at price. Now from here, what is price doing? What direction is price traveling? When you're measuring price is traveling in this direction, 2 points, boom, boom. Look what's happening. Every time price hits this line, which is aka resistance, it gets knocked back down. Okay? It hits this line and it gets knocked back down. It hits this line and it goes back down. What if every time price hits this line, you enter into a sell order? What does that mean, Gary? What that means is that in the foreign exchange market, you can make money whether price goes up or price goes down. You could get paid on both sides of the coin. It's not just you buy low and you sell high. You only make money when the price or the value go up. No, in a foreign exchange market, you make money whether price goes up or price goes down. You could place a buy order or a sell order. Easy peasy. Let's keep going. So here, if you placed a sell order when price got up to this high point of resistance, then you can now profit as price falls. Let's do a measurement. I'm going to zoom in, move over some so we can see this. All right, now we're going to measure this. Let's just measure one candle. Price came, hit the ceiling, came down. Let's measure this candle. Okay, this is 11 pips. Dropped 11 pips. So if this was $1 a pip, it'd be $11. If it was $10 a pip, it'd be $110 in 1 hour. Now price continued to fall, which means that if you were still in the trade at this candle and went all the way down to this lowest point before it started to rise, this is 56 pips. $1 is $56, $10 is $560. Okay, that's how that works. Easy peasy. Now that's price going up, that's price going down, but it's not always one-sided. Price can change direction, right? So let's look at this. If we took 2 points again, there's my trend line. I'm going to adjust it to my 2 points. All right. Now what's happening? Price is on this trend line. It goes up, comes down, hit the trend line, goes up, hit a buy. Goes down, it fluctuates. And then right here, price broke the rules. It broke the trend. We were in an upward trend, but now price broke the rules, and now we're in a downtrend. Okay, we now have to adjust and wait for the next move. So what does that mean? Well, right here, price started to go in what we call a ranging market, a ranging move in a sense, or consolidation, where it just started to go into this area straight across until eventually came up and started to go up and break out. It didn't continue in the upward direction, and right here just stayed in right here as well until it started to fall. Okay, now when it started to fall, it started another trend. Okay, I'm going to zoom in so we can see that better. move over. All right. So what wound up happening is price started to fall, and as you can see, it came down, then it came up, then it went down, it came up, and then it went down, and it came up, and it went down, and it came up. What do you think is about to happen? I'll let you answer that. So, do you think that you understand price action? Do you think that you understand how price can be affected by the economy, the send it in one direction versus the other? Do you know how many points does it take to make a straight line? Do you know basic math? What's 30 times 10 cents? What's 30 times $1? What's 30 times $10? If you got majority of those questions right, you can do very well in the foreign exchange market. So how did you do? Comment in the section below. And guys, you know I like talking about making money. I love helping people, and I do giveaways. So don't forget to drop your Cash App handle in every video. Drop your Cash App handle in the comment section of every video. And if you would like to learn how to trade in the foreign exchange market, we have classes. We walk step by step, teaching you, training you how to trade in a foreign exchange market. If that's something you would like to know more information about, text Mentor Me to 833-685-0280. That's 833-685-0280. Text Mentor Me. And if you're out of the States, you can text Mentor Me to 267-902-3410. That's 267-902-3410. Also, my email address is in the description section below, along with the phone numbers as well. So get in contact with me. I would love to assist you. Well, guys, that's my time for today. Hopefully, you can learn how to profit in the foreign exchange market using the trendline strategy. And that's my 15 minutes to show you how you were able to make $300. Until next time, guys, take care of yourself and each other. Happy trading.